Sawadee ka. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I may not know what the future holds, ya Allah, but I'm deeply thankful for the knowledge you have given me. My journey with Maybank and the ASEAN Foundation has been incredible. It filled with opportunities and support that turned our vision into reality. Alhamdulillah. That together with my team, we created this project 3E that embodies our commitment for sustainability and community empowerment. Our hearts belong to these people with special needs and elderly. And thank you to the Chief Executive Officer of the Maybank, Ms. Islin Ramli Kun Ka, and to the ASEAN Foundation. Thank you for empowering us, and thank you for believing in us. And Alhamdulillah, God bless us all.